Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Shopify through Okta SSO easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Shopify through Okta single sign-on, start by logging into your Okta admin account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Applications section. Click on the Add Application button. In the search bar, type Shopify and select it from the results. Choose Next to proceed with the configuration. On the General Settings page, provide a name for your Shopify application. You can also upload a logo for branding, if desired. Click on Next to move to the sign-on options. Under the sign-on method, select SAML 2.0. Next, configure the SAML settings by entering the following information. For the single sign-on URL, input the Shopify SSO URL. In the audience URI, enter the Shopify entity ID. Within the attribute statements section, set the name to email and name format to unspecified. Add another attribute by setting the name to first name and the name format to unspecified. Then, add a third attribute, setting the name to last name and name format to unspecified. Click on the Next button to proceed. On the feedback page, select I'm a software developer and then click on Finish. After the application is created, navigate to the Sign-On tab. Here you will find the Identity Provider metadata link. Copy this URL as you will need it for Shopify. Now, log into your Shopify admin account. Go to the Settings section and select Users and Permissions. Click on the Add Staff button. Fill out the staff member's details and select the Send Invite option. In the Staff Account Create page, scroll down to Single Sign-On SSO. Paste the Identity Provider metadata URL into the required field. Input the corresponding information for your organization ID and SSO URL. Save your changes to complete the Shopify SSO configuration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.